Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to change crosshair in CS2. So make sure you guys follow every step in the video. So all you have to do is click on play, and then in here you will see the workshop maps. Click on that. And then at the left side, you will see the visit workshop. Click on this. And then in this section, you will see the workshops. So click on the search button in here and then type crosshair and then enter, and then you will see the options. So click on the first one and then click on the plus and then go back to your game. Now just go back and then click on play again, and then you will see the crosshair map. So go there. So and then in here you can basically just choose anything in here, or you can choose anything in here. So this is how to change crosshair in CS2. See you guys in the next tutorial.